Check out these birds. Now they're in front of my neighbor's house. They just picked something. Whatever it is, whole flock of them. Alright. I should squirt them with the hose. Look at these birds, man. That's a trip. Now I'm really close. They just over here digging in the grass for something. I gotta get out here and cut this grass. Maybe they'll come. I don't know. Anyway.